Hi, it's Peter Haddock here from Content with Media, and I'm joined by Alex, who's probably had the best job in the world as far as equipment's concerned over the last, say, year or so.
Yes.
Because you are the project manager for Fast Track and the 150 mile an hour amazing achievement that this unit has done. What has been that journey? And talk to us about what we've got in this amazing machine here.
Oh yeah, I mean it's just been great. You know, started a year ago, did a few hand calculations, went on the CAD on the computer, started placing all the big chunks like the engine and the gearbox, and then just built it up from there. Yeah.
Now I've looked around this machine and there's a scuba diving tanks at the back of it. Why? Why are they needed?
Well, we're making that much power, we need a huge turbo. That turbo takes ages to spin up and get onto boost. So we use the compressed air from a scuba diving tank to spin the turbo around and reduce the lag. So an anti-lag system.
So I'm next to one of the big wheels here. That's been specially made because this is not the same standard size, is it?
No.
Tell me a little bit about that.
I mean, it's an off-the-shelf size and tread pattern, but BKT have done a few odd tweaks for us. So different compound, a bit like a racing tyre, more natural rubber, steel belts as well in the wheels, so they just stop the wheel from expanding and blowing up at high speed.
Which is a pretty necessity when we're talking about this.
Oh yeah.
I've seen a bit of aerodynamicness that you don't want to see on a tractor. What was that actually doing and how did you test that out?
So we tested it all on CFD, so
What's a CFD?
Computational Fluid Dynamics, a computer program, like a virtual wind tunnel. So yeah, tested it all out. Main purpose of the aerodynamics is just let us go as quick as we can, make it as slippery as possible going through the air.
And so you've also seen in your big write-up that it's slightly smaller, isn't it, than your normal tractor? So what are we talking?
So
we've got inches or?
Well, it's about 200 mil lower on the cab, 200 mil lower on the suspension, and then about 300 mil narrower on the sides. So tried to keep it looking like a tractor, but at the same time, the smaller, the faster it will go.
And when we're looking at this tractor, and I mean it does look like a tractor to be fair, you know, there's a little bit of a change inside as well, isn't there? We've got a racing seat you're not normally seeing there. There's probably air suspension comfy seats in the JCB normal tractors. But, and the controls there, what's changed inside?
So we've got a Cobra racing seat and then we've got an FIA approved roll cage. So we did loads of simulation work just to try and make sure that the driver was nice and safe if he did have a crash.
And so all of that is simulated back at base in Uttoxeter, or where has it been in a secret hideout somewhere else? What's been happening? Where's this been built and constructed?
It was all done in our research department at JCB. So we call it the Batcave. So where we do all the cool stuff.
Yeah. And you're quite a young individual. Any other apprentices or other people at JCB had to go on this?
I mean, average age of the team was 27. So
that's incredible.
There was a few apprentices, a few graduates, undergraduates, myself. I've been at JCB for 5 years. And then we just kept going and annoying all the guys with loads of experience and getting all their knowledge off them.
So it really has been a labour of young love, really, at JCB, showing that JCB's bringing through the talent that need to not just make something, that's a world record breaker, but some of the other products that you're bringing out and showing here at Lamma today. So
of course, I mean, it just showcases engineering excellence, which is what we wanted to show with the project. So.
And if there's one thing you're going to take away from doing this project and for having all these people talking to you today, what's the thing that you'd take away and what would you say to people that are thinking about a career maybe in this kind of industry?
Well, I mean, I'd say, just go for it. I've loved tractors my whole life, and going to JCB and getting to work on them and try all these new, cool, interesting things out. It's just an opportunity that doesn't come up every day, so
And so we're a British company doing some amazing world record breaking things with young people, and that's really important, I think. You know, it's not just the oldest showing the way here, you're showing the way with a young team.
Of course.
Fantastic result, congratulations, and thanks very much for talking to me today.
Cheers, thank you.